Okay, so in this problem we have to show that we can take some information and make a function and graph of it. So school is having t-shirts printed. Scott's t-shirts charges $150 to set up the printing and then $5 per t-shirt. So for Scott, I'm going to make this equation. Y is going to be the total cost. The growth rate is $5 per t-shirt. So 5 times x, this is going to be the number of t-shirts, plus the 150 that it charges to set up the printing. Meanwhile, for Barbara, again, the cost for Barbara is equal to, it's $350 per t-shirt. So, and then 200 to start. So this is basically just a basic base and growth rate. So this is the base, it costs 150, and then for every t-shirt that they make, the cost goes up by $5. So 5 per shirt there. So now I just need to make a graph. For Scott, he starts at 150, and then he goes up 5 per t-shirt. So after 10 t-shirts, he'd go up $50. So he'd be here. And then after another 10, he'd go up 50. And another 10, he'd go up 50. You got to really pay attention to your scale here. But there's my pattern now. Every 20 t-shirts, it goes up $100. So I'm going to take a ruler. I highly encourage you to use a ruler, especially on the exam itself. If there's a problem like this, it's probably going to be a computer grading it. If your line isn't perfectly straight, the computer might, even if you get it right, the computer might think you're wrong. Okay, so this is for Scott. And then for Barbara, hers are going to cost $200, and then it's going to go up $350 per shirt. So let's see. After 10 shirts, it would be $35. I'm going to kind of estimate that, and then another $35 would be $70, and then another $35 would be $305. Another $35 would be $340, $375, $410, $445. I'm estimating these. 445 plus 35 would be 480. Okay, so those are my estimates. None of them really fell on a corner as I was hoping, so that I could make sure I made my line perfect, but this is a good estimate. I know it has to be a straight line, so some of those it's clear that I didn't estimate very well. So this is Barbara. So you can see that if you're going to buy less than, approximately 37-ish shirts, then you should go with Scott. But if you're going to buy more, Barbara gets cheaper after that. What is that, 30? No, that's more like 33. We could find that exactly using some other methods if we needed to, but they were just asking us to make a graph. So there we go.